The Latent Heat Interactive Calculator solves heat energy problems during phase changes in materials. Let's start with the calculation mode dropdown. You can calculate heat energy Q, mass M, latent heat L, vaporization energy, fusion energy, or sublimation energy. For this demo, I'm using Calculate Heat Energy Q. Next is the Substance dropdown for preset L values. Options include Custom Value, Water Vaporization at 2,260,000 joules per kilogram, Water Fusion at 334,000 joules per kilogram, plus ethanol, ammonia, CO2, aluminum, and iron. I'm selecting Custom Value. Now for the input fields. I'll enter mass M in kilograms and latent heat L in joules per kilogram. The heat energy Q field is what we're calculating, so we leave that blank. After clicking Calculate, the Results section displays your calculated heat energy Q value. You'll also see the mass and latent heat values confirmed, plus the phase change type. The calculator provides energy conversions in both kilowatt-hours and megajoules for practical applications. This tool streamlines phase change calculations for thermal system design. Find the link in the description below.